Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent-in-place specialist and a master instructor. When it comes to bathrooms, what's in a name, particularly with showers? Well, it could be a lot because frequently we talk about a walk-in shower. Walk-in showers can take on many different dimensions and shapes. Generally, we mean one that's rather accessible, one that we can enter by walking into it. Well, technically, we can walk into a tub shower. We have to step over the lip of the tub, and that's a challenge for a lot of people. That's not really what we mean, although it does fit the definition loosely of a walk-in shower. Actually, we mean for a walk-in shower or an accessible shower, one that has no barrier at all, one that is totally flush from the floor of the bathroom into the floor of the shower surface. No barrier, seamless, zero clearance, barrier-free. That's an accessible shower, a walk-in shower, not one that you have a little bit of a lip to climb over or a little bit of a floor to climb onto, one that is totally flat. So what's in a name? Could be a lot, could be very important for our consumers. So when we're talking about showers and we really want it to be a seamless, barrier-free shower, then let's say so. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.